Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar, and I welcome you to Montell song called Heaven. Alright, so if you've been here on this channel, you perhaps ran through these songs from Montell. It has many songs here on this channel, like I Destroy Myself for You, Care, Escape, I'd Go 1,000 Miles for You, and many more. So if you're a fan of Montell, make sure you subscribe to this channel and support me in that way. Thank you so much, and let's go into the song called Heaven now. All right, so we have 4 chords. We're gonna work mostly with bar chords, so no need for any capo here. Let's go right into the chords, and starting with the G sharp minor. All right, so that's a bar chord. We play the index finger on the 4th fret where you cover all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. That's the G sharp minor. Then we have the F sharp. Okay, so now we have the index finger on the 2nd fret with this bar, and we cover all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. And then we have the E, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is B, and I'm gonna give you 2 different choices here. Bar on the 2nd fret. Now you bar 5 strings if you count from the bottom and up like this, so you don't have to bar the last E string. So 5 strings on the 2nd fret, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. That's the sus version, but you're using only kind of the bass strings from this chord, the A, D, G, and so that's enough with the sus version. This is the first one to go with the B, but you can also go with this up here on the 7th fret. That's where you place your index finger, cover all strings there, and then you need to add 9 on A, 9 on D, and 8 on G. And that is just if you want to have kind of the same bar chords as used before, the G sharp minor, the F sharp. They are more similar to this version of B. So if you think that is easier, you can go with this B as well. So keep that in mind. If you have the E, gonna play the B around the E, you have to have big jumps there. But anyway, this is not like you have to switch that fast in the song. It's a very mellow song. It goes pretty slow, this one, so you have time to go up here if you want to. Anyway, enough of that chit chat. Let's go into the chords and the chord progression. We're gonna play G sharp, 2 downs, then F sharp, 2 downs, then E, 2 downs, a short pause, and an extra down on E. Then you go to B. I'm gonna use this version of it, 2 downs, a pause, and an extra down on B. And back to E, the final chord, 2 downs, pause, and an extra down on E. And that ends the chord progression. It's like that from the beginning till the very end. So, like this. Again, G, F sharp, E, pause, and E again, B, pause, and B again, and E, pause, and E again. And there you have it. So Montell, Heaven, very easy to play actually. So just get used to the bar chords to push down, and you have it. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you enjoy this channel, again, support me here, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.